my God. Hello, good morning everyone. We're going to unbox something very tasty. Stay tuned. What are we going to do today, Zion?
A box open.
Oh, we're going to open the box. Hi guys, I'm so excited to open my yummy, tasty box. Not, the box is not tasty. What I mean is what's inside the box. So, halika na. Open na natin. Zion, are you ready? Say hi.
It's tail.
Say hi. Hi everyone. Okay, so mating ko kahapon. Special delivery.
No, what are you opening? A lizard box?
What's inside?
I don't know. Say, where's my lizard? Wow!
What is this? Ito yung pinakamasarap na chili garlic sauce. My God. Give me the other one, babe. Thanks. Order na kayo, guys. This is a chili dance chili garlic sauce. Kung nagda-diet kayo, wag na kayong mag-diet kasi ang sarap-sarap pala nito. Happy yung isa. Ito po, ang bango-bango nito. Ito yung sa loob. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's here. Napakabango talaga. There, can you see it? Sa mga spicy lovers dyan, I recommend for you to try this. Bago lang siya na out sa market. It's only 85 pesos. I'll put in the link of their Facebook page. Their Facebook page I'm sorry. Their Facebook page, ano ba naman? Their Facebook page their Facebook page Facebook page is Dan's Chili Garlic Sauce Cebu. So, meron din silang Instagram page which is dan_chiligarlicsauce.cebu. Order na kayo guys. Only 85 pesos and use this as sauce as like ulam and seasoning to your food. Napakasarap talaga. Dan's Chili Garlic Sauce.